If you're turning 21 this year, then you deserve an epic party. So here are some party themes that are worth throwing a huge bash for. First up is a Casino Royale night. This might appeal a little bit more for the guys, but if you're throwing a party for your man, listen up. So we're thinking black, red, gold, sleek black linens, some playing cards, a dice moment, and having a signature cocktail here, whether that's like a martini or whiskey on the rocks, gives it like a bespoke feel instead of it looking cheesy. This one's perfect for an upscale house party or a rented space, or even a nice backyard moment with cocktail tables. Next up, this one was really popular last year and will continue to be in 2026, and that is a Tini Bit Older. It's your first legal drink, so why not do it right? So you can set this up with a DIY cocktail bar with glassware, mixers, garnishes, and cute signage. You can either take the espresso martini route or your traditional martini route with your browns or your greens. But either way, the drink is the star other than you. It's totally interactive, intimate, and very ideal if you're hosting at home with some of your closest friends. If you want to just have a lot of fun and keep it casual, then having a 90s or Y2K throwback party is a great idea. Bright colors, bold tableware, neon, just go totally nostalgic. You can go disposable plates, decor, anything that's just loud and out there. This theme is just very casual, playful, and made for the photo ops. For something a little bit more timeless, Roaring Twenties or Great Gatsby is a classic and very beautiful theme. With this, you'll see lots of black, gold, and white, sequin, linens, feather accents, champagne glasses, moody lighting, art deco feels. This is one if you and your guests love to dress up and you want that old Hollywood energy. And finally, I really like this one. It's Country Chic. Checkered or neutral linens, soft florals, candles, string lights, but you have the cowboy boots, the cowboy hat, the country girl look as well. And this can be great for indoor or outdoor parties. Add a themed bar or take it to a bar, some beer or whiskey. You can kind of take this any which way. This is fabulous for kind of a girls' night out type birthday. It's one very special birthday and so many ways to make it feel like you. So no matter the theme or the details, however you pull it together, that's where eFavormart comes in.